We're installing the new bridge here at Watkins Glen State Park. This has been about a 5-year process for us to move through design into construction and now the installation. This was the State Parks project, beginning, middle, and end.
We went through a few different ideas, and the decision was to go with the sleek arch design, nodding to the previous continual arch, but now only having a bit of a half an arch because of the way that we found that the south side not as sturdy as the north. The design was fully a moment connection off the north, so this bridge is 95-99% supported off the north side, so it'll stand the test of time.
This is a really experiential structure. We wanted to design a bridge that told a story. As a means of introduction, it talks about Leedy's rosebud. It's a very rare plant, along with the great petal-tail dragonfly. And then there's a little sort of a diorama scape for children to understand what the old bridge looks at.
Patrons can also expect a slightly wider walking surface compared to the old ones to help move people through there and gain a better experience, step off to the side to take some photos.
The level of detail and craftsmanship that has gone into the construction of this steel bridge is absolutely unbelievable. We're looking forward to welcoming another 1 million+ people to Watkins Glen State Park. It's going to be a great, great season. We'll see you 4th of July weekend when we cut the ribbon on this.